Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a VivoBook 15, the M513 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. You have 10 screws on the bottom case. Once those are removed, you're going to take your small, flat, plastic pry tool, and it's generally best to start near the rear, near one of the two corners. You're going to pry the bottom case apart from the rest of the computer. Be careful not to put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. If you do get stuck going in one direction, leave it, go to the other side, and continue in the other direction. Once you get the bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model, the M513, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of the tools and supplies I use, plus those replacement and upgrade parts. Your battery is right down here near the bottom right of my screen. This is an 11.25 volt battery, 42 watt hour if you need help finding a replacement. But again, I will have a replacement option below in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. To unplug the battery, there's a small metal bar right here under the green arrow. You would slide that up towards the arrow. That will release this white clip, and then you can pull that straight up and off of the motherboard to unplug your battery. If you're looking to remove your battery, you do have to take off this metal bar here. As you can see, it's holding down the battery and the battery plug. So there's these three screws near the red arrows to take that metal bar up, and then these two last screws near the red arrows to unscrew the battery. The battery is also taped down to the fan near the blue arrow. You'll have to take that up, and then you'll be able to get your battery out. As a side note, if you're here because your computer is not turning on, it could be a bad battery. You may have to replace it, but keep in mind that most laptop computers should still turn on and function even with a bad battery as long as the power cord's plugged in. So if your computer's not turning on at all, it may be a different issue than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting that, I will have a video link above, also below in the description, and that will be the full tutorial I use in my shop to find out why a laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. And as long as you're in here, consider upgrading your memory. That could give you a higher level of speed, a higher level of performance for your computer. You can see that at the end video that pops up when this one's done. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your VivoBook 15 M513 and access your battery.